have created this particular makeup look with just 4 products, and they are very easy and quick to do. It just takes 10 minutes literally, and I have not done much of a editing in this video. If you ever feel makeup means too much on your face, then this video is for you. There are so many products, right? Foundation, concealer, corrector, setting spray, then highlighter, then blushes, different types of blushes, lip liners, lipsticks, lip glosses, eyebrows, and eyeshadows, mascaras, lashes, and kajals, and that's easy to wonder. Where do you even begin? Maybe you are a person who always have very little time to get ready. If this sounds like you, then this video is where you must start. Let's get started. The first product is Lakme Absolute Mousse. I'm not using any brush here. Directly taking the product. This has a velvety finish. The coverage is light to medium. However, you can use this for 2 to 3 hours of any event. It can simplify the routine because you may not need separate foundation or a compact powder for everyday look. I am shooting this in a natural daylight, so you can actually see the coverage on half of my face, how evenly and smoothly it looks. It has taken out that oiliness, the dull feel, even the slight pigmentation marks that I have here. So you can see half of my face looks so even and fresh, but this side it still looks dull, uneven texture throughout. Let's complete the base. It takes about 5 minutes. And all I'm doing is a very light application. If you want, you can layer it up later if you think this is too light. But for those who really think makeup is a lot, this is very ideal for them. Now, you do not need a compact, you do not need concealer, you do not need additional foundation or layering it up. Now, let's go to the next product. The second product here is lipstick. You can take any shade of lipstick, but I would suggest avoid reds and browns here and avoid too pinky shades also. I'm taking a plum shade here. So let's go with this. Again, no brush needed. Smile. You can use peach, you can use light pinks, you can use even the rusty shades, you can use plum shades to create a balance between the features. So I'm giving a blush here that instantly adds color to my face. Now the same shade, I'm using it on top of the lid, applying in the center so that the maximum product comes at the center of the eyes, and then just blending it. Keep matte finish because we do not want glossy or creamy finish, so always go for a matte lipstick. Just apply it throughout the lids, and that's enough. Now the same shade, I'm using it as my lipstick also. Now, here is a third product, that's your kajal. I'm using Just Herbs kajal. You can use any brand of your choice. Just one coat is enough. Going with a tight line. You can use the same kajal as a liner as well. Just a little on the outside and then just blending it with my fingers. If you want, you can wing it out a little. Now there you go. Our third product is done. Then here is the last product, that is our finishing touch. Without a good groomed eyebrow, the makeup is never complete. So here we are using Maybelline Super Curl Mascara. It has a slight arch in the center, so I'm using that to just lift the lashes. You do not need false lashes if you really have a good mascara in your hand. And then just grooming the brow. I'm not doing any shape here, just naturally lifting and coloring the brow. That's all. And that's it, guys. It's the finished look that you see right here. Who says you need huge makeup collection to look polished? Sometimes a well-chosen products are all you needed. If you're just starting your makeup journey, I hope this tutorial showed you the makeup that doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Save this video for the next days you're getting ready in a hurry, or let me know in comment what one product you're still confused about. I would love to make a tutorial to help you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Self Makeup Mastery. Every Tuesdays and Fridays, I share makeup tutorials for free. That helps you build confidence. I will see you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, keep learning, keep looking gorgeous and make smart makeup choices. Till then, bye-bye.